Good evening. Um, I have probably the worst headache I've ever had, so this is going to be like a 5 minute video. Um, I am no idea why my camera is in this really, really bad quality. Literally no idea. Um, but I have no time to look into it because I want to. I finished up a project I need to finish up, so like my head is like I'm at like a point where I can like rough through it, but oh my God, is this the worst headache I've ever had in my entire life? Um, So I think what I'm just going to do today is do two sum because I can do that in probably like 2 minutes and then end the video. And yeah, I had my linear algebra exam today. It didn't go well. Um, I studied pretty much for the old exams, and it was nothing like the old exams because the old exams were all from um, 2 decades ago. And of course, they're not going to structure it like those, I guess. So I was stupid for that. And so I put all my time and my cheat sheet catered around what those looked like. And there wasn't a single question that was like correlated to what was on those old exams. I mean, the topics were the same, but like the style of questions were all different. So I wasn't ready. So probably absolutely fucking bombed that exam, which is horrible. Anyways, I want to forget about that. And let's just get this over with. Um, um, I really hope I don't trip on to some, bro. I just want to go to bed. I just have to upload this. Oh God. Yeah, next Wednesday I have to do my computer architecture presentation for memory system. So okay, to some. What's the efficient? I know it's the. Is it a set or a hash map? I know it's you want the complement, right? You take target minus the current number, and that's the complement. And so if the current number that you have plus something in there, so what? It's num map is equal to a hash map, and then for index and number in enumerate nums complement is equal to target minus the current number. If that complement, what are we going to save the complements as? It's just in num map, then return. It's the index of the first instance, so it would be what's in num map. So return num map at the complement. Would be yeah, it'd be the complement. And the current index. Else, if it's not in there, then we want to say num map at, is it number? It's equal to index. So if we hit like 2 and we store it as 2 and the index is 0, and then we hit 7 and we say 7 minus target. Wait, target minus 7 is equal to 2. Is 2 in complement? Yep. So return complement at that, which is, yeah. And then, oh, what a base case of this. Is that it? Beautiful. Two some always got my back. Submit it like this so it also goes to. Oh my God. Okay. Wow. What a riveting video. Um, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going to bed. I feel like terrible. I'm going to sleep because I have to be up at 8 a.m. anyways for my class. So a nice 9 hours of sleep will be great. Okay. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.